Prime Minister Modi, who's currently in Rome at the invitation of his Italian counterpart Mario Draghi, will continue his two-day trip to the country. Next, he will be travelling to the United Kingdom to attend the COP26, which begins today. Prime Minister Modi attended the first session of the summit on Saturday, where he discussed global economy and health along with a host of world leaders. Taking to his official handle on Twitter, Prime Minister Modi said that the proceedings on day one were, quote, extensive and productive. Among the topics highlighted by Prime Minister Modi at the G20 Summit were India's contributions in the global fight against COVID-19, the vision of One Earth, One Health, furthering innovation in healthcare, and leveraging technology for human empowerment. On Saturday, Prime Minister Modi met his counterpart from Singapore on the sidelines of the G20 Summit. The leaders discussed ways to further scale up the friendship between India and Singapore. The talks focused on trade, culture and other subjects. Earlier, Prime Minister Modi also met the Pope Francis, and invited him to visit India. According to sources, the meeting was very warm and cordial. A meeting that was scheduled to last for only 20 minutes went on for an hour. During the meeting, the two leaders discussed the pandemic, recovery from COVID-19 and poverty eradication.
Questo per lei, questo è un medaglio fatto qui in Vaticano. Vaticano specially बनाया गया है आपके लिए. Si dice l'abbondanza, il grano, l'uva, tutto, e si dice il deserto, traduci tu, il deserto diventerà un giardino.
Prime Minister Modi also held his first face-to-face meeting with French President Emmanuel Macron. Now, this was the first meeting between the two leaders after the AUKUS controversy. Nearly a month ago, Modi and Macron had held a telephonic conversation as well, where the two leaders had discussed Indo-Pacific and bilateral ties and the India-French strategic partnership. Prime Minister Modi's visit comes at a time when the world is looking towards India to set an example in sustainable and speedy pandemic recovery. According to the IMF, India will remain one of the fastest growing economies in the post-pandemic world. According to IMF's latest projections, India's economy, which contracted by 7.3% due to the COVID-19 pandemic, is now expected to grow by 9.5% in 2021 and 8.5% in 2022.